Thanks for checking out today's video. We are going to dive into a comparison of StanStore versus Hostinger. Today, I am going to break down the main reasons why you would want to use one over the other. By the end, you are going to know exactly which tool fits your needs, like a perfectly tailored marketing suit. Let's start with StanStore first, because honestly, this is one of the biggest reasons why you would want to go with StanStore over Hostinger, and it is not even close. In my opinion, you are going to want to use StanStore if you want to sell digital products, coaching calls, subscriptions, or pretty much anything you can think of. StanStore is built specifically for creators, influencers, and side hustlers who want to monetize fast. No tech headaches, no confusing setups. You just upload your product, start selling, and boom, you are making money. Meanwhile, if you try to sell digital products through Hostinger, it is kind of like bringing a bicycle to a Formula One race. It is just not even a competition. Another huge reason you would want to use StanStore is if you want to start selling as quickly as humanly possible. StanStore is basically the microwave dinner of setting up an online business. It is quick, easy, and effective. You do not need to mess around with domains, hosting SSL certificates, or anything that sounds remotely techy. You just plug in your product and you are ready to go. Meanwhile, if you choose Hostinger, you are playing the long game. You need a domain, then a website, then a store, and then you are sitting there 2 hours later wondering why you still have no sales and maybe questioning all your life choices. Those are two massive reasons why StanStore can be the better option if you want to start making money online fast. And if that sounds good to you, I will leave a link down below in the description where you can test out StanStore for free and literally be up and running in minutes. Now let's flip the script and talk about why you might want to go with Hostinger instead. The biggest reason is if you want to create a fully customizable website with all the bells and whistles. If you are dreaming of a fancy homepage, custom branding, unlimited pages, Hostinger is the way to go. It gives you the power to build whatever you want. StanStore is more like a sleek, high-end storefront. It looks great. It sells great. But it is not built for running a full-blown blog portfolio or multi-page site that screams marketing genius. Another major point to think about is scalability and ownership with StanStore. You are essentially renting the space. It is convenient. It is easy, but you do not own the platform with Hostinger. You own your website. You own your domain. You are in complete control. It is like renting an apartment versus buying a house. StanStore is renting easy, flexible, but with limits. Hostinger is buying a house, more work up front, but total freedom in the long run. So when it comes to the final verdict, which one should you go with? Both StanStore and Hostinger offer awesome value, but it really just depends on what you need. If you want to sell digital products as fast and hassle-free as possible, StanStore is definitely your best bet. At the end of the day, it is a super easy comparison. StanStore is your go-to for selling digital products quickly and simply. Hostinger is the way to go if you are looking to build a full-on website and brand from the ground up. If you're ready to start your own StanStore and take the first step towards building your online business, you can sign up using the link in the description below.